You may proceed. Who would have thought that long ago, so very far away, a little child would be born and in the manger lay? Who would have thought this little child was born the King of Kings, the son of just a carpenter, of whom the angels sing? And who would have thought this he grow with other children play? The child whom they loved and sung would die for them someday. And who would have thought this little child can make the blind man see, feed the hungry, make rich the poor, and set the sinners free? And who would have thought was whom the prophets said would take away the sins of men and rise up from the dead? Oh, I believe, and I will always see this little child. He is my King. Oh, I believe, and I will always see this little child. He is the King of Kings. 20 years have come and gone, yet this world remains the same. Empires have been built and fallen, yet only time has made a change. Nation against nation, brother against brother, men so filled with hatred, killing one another. And over the world is starving with a banner disincistor, debating over this armament, killing children before they're born, and bulls to march to win the right to justify their sin. Every nation that has fallen from within. Yet in the midst of this darkness, there is a hope, a light that burns. This little child, the King of Kings, someday will return. Oh, I believe, and I will always see this little child. He is my King. Oh, I believe, I will always see this little child. He is the King of Kings. Who would have thought this little child, the prophets, will return to judge this world, the living and the dead? Oh, I believe, and I will always see this little child. He is the King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. The King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing little child. He is the King. You love me so much, Lord. You love me so much, please God. Even praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Napakabuti ng Diyos, mga minamahal. Buong taon tayo, mga minamahal. Buong isang taon tayo ginabayan ng tulay ng Diyos, mga minamahal. Hindi mabilang, mga minamahal, ang ating pagkakadama. Hindi natin mabilang na sa isang tayo balik. Tinibig pa rin tayo ng Diyos, mga minamahal. Salamat, mahal na Panginoon. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He's my King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing little child. He's the King of Kings. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is my King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is the King of Kings. Thank you so much, Lord. Amen. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah.